Let me watch one more event.
You get sucked in, you start it, and you're like, oh, I can't turn away now.
I can't stop thinking about the fact that I've trained 4 years for this one
Just
chance.
I know.
And so, I got to give them their respect. So.
Wow, our medal count.
Yeah.
Pretty
Very
high.
nice.
That spread continues
That's nice.
to grow,
Yeah.
so that's
Actually,
amazing.
I read a study yesterday, I'm going to have a link to it in the blog today, that the bronze medal winners are generally happier than the silver medal winners. Because the silver medal winners are more upset that they didn't get gold. The bronze medal winners are just happy that they finished in the medals.
Right at the top.
So it's kind of a little bit
interesting.
not what you would think.
That's the point, yeah.
Let's take a look at what's happening out there. I'm not sure what medal we would give today's weather, but
not gold.
yeah, tin, maybe something like that. We do have some showers that are starting to show up in West Tennessee into western Kentucky. A few showers ongoing right now in Callaway County, far northern Henry County. We're going to see more and more of this, especially west and northwest of Nashville, as we head already through the morning and especially this afternoon. And those afternoon storms could develop a little bit closer to metro Nashville. The bulk of this unsettled weather pattern has just been hanging out to our northwest, straight out to our west, to our southwest, but it's finally going to get a push towards us as we head through the day today, and the better chance of storms is going to develop across the entire area tomorrow. So it's going to help to break us out of the hottest of the hot weather pattern, but it's not going to do anything about the humidity. You really wouldn't guess that there's a better storm chance today by just looking at this beautiful sunrise right now as we look towards downtown Nashville with that pinkish hue to the clouds on the right-hand side of the screen. Still in nighttime mode here from the Battleground Academy camera in Franklin, but not seeing any fog out there this morning to slow you down, even from our usual foggy spot here with the Smith County camera in Carthage. Let's check on temperatures, and those are awfully warm once again. Yet another morning with temperatures mostly in the 70s. In fact, everybody in the 70s except Livingston at 69 degrees. The warm spot is 76 degrees in Burkesville. We're right behind in Nashville and Gallatin at 75, 74 right now in Murfreesboro, Waverly, Clarksville, and in Hopkinsville. Normal low is 69, so we're a half dozen degrees above that, and yeah, 75 is our low temperature so far in Nashville. A warm up in store for us, but not as fast because we're going to see more cloud cover building in, scattered thunderstorms popping up, not only in western middle Tennessee, but across the rest of the mid-state. They'll just be a little more sparse the farther east you go. Mid-80s by noon, upper 80s for highs this afternoon, which is still hot, especially with the mugginess factored in. Those storms remain possible throughout the afternoon as well. Let's check out Futurecast's version of how the storms are going to develop as we head through the day. And this forecast model isn't perfect, but it's got a pretty good handle on where the showers at least are initially developing. It does bring that better rain chance a little farther east, but just look at the overall pattern. West and northwest of Nashville, more widespread showers and storms. Farther east, there's still going to be some scattered storms. They'll just be fewer and farther between. Everybody gets in on the scattered storms as we head through the day tomorrow. A couple of them could be stronger, but this is not going to be an off-the-chart severe weather risk. Hopefully it'll be enough rain to wash some pollen out of the atmosphere. If you're waiting for some relief from the humidity, this isn't going to be the system to bring it to us. There's going to be another one that moves in over the weekend, continues the chance of showers and thunderstorms. That's going to bring some relief from the heat and humidity to the middle of the country over the weekend, but eventually this big dip in the jet stream that unleashes that cooler and drier air is eventually going to push farther to the east. So by early next week, by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, we're going to be able to experience some lower humidity levels. Finally, some cooler overnight low temperatures dropping into the 60s for the first time since early July. But that's still a week away or so. Temperatures in the meantime will stay in the 80s for highs, around 70 degrees for lows, with a decent chance of off and on storms pretty much every day, all the way through the weekend and into the very beginning of the next work week.
All right, Paul.